The TVON Rolling TV Stand is an elegant and functional addition to any living space, featuring a stylish wooden base that doubles as a storage unit for devices like routers and gaming consoles. Designed with flexibility in mind, this TV stand offers 9 levels of height adjustment and a swivel feature that allows for a 30-degree rotation, ensuring optimal viewing angles. The stand's lockable wheels provide smooth and quiet movement, making it easy to reposition the TV to avoid glare or to enjoy shows from different areas of the room. Safety features such as a secure locking mechanism and anti-drop design make this stand a reliable choice for households with children or pets. Its robust construction supports a wide range of television sizes, from 32 to 70 inches, accommodating various screen types and weights up to 88 pounds. This versatile TV stand is suitable for different environments, including bedrooms and living rooms, offering a stylish and practical solution for modern home entertainment needs.